Howdy everybody. So today is Monday. Feels like a Monday. Today is Tuesday, and day after Memorial Day. We got 32 going out today, and so we got, I don't know what she's doing.
It's 26. I was trying to figure out what day it was.
We got 31 going out on eBay and one on Poshmark, and a couple of viewer sales that we can't thank you enough for, so we're going to go over them first.
But they're not required, so don't feel obligated.
Yeah, don't feel obligated that you got to come, buy stuff from us. But when you do, I mean, it's awesome. We greatly appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. I mean, we're going to continue to make these videos, whether we get paid or not, from YouTube, or whether we get viewer sales off of it. Neither one of them was the reason we started this channel. We started this channel just to have fun with it, document our own journey, not so much as teaching and showing things. We just want to document what we're doing. And
kind of our everyday life.
Yeah. I mean, I enjoy filming. She enjoys cameras and everything, and we just want to...
Sometimes.
I enjoy watching YouTube, so I want to contribute back to it, and kind of just show what we're doing. And then a year from now, I can look back on these videos and say, hey, retard, you shouldn't have bought that. Yeah, I can say retard. She said, I don't know if you can say retard on camera.
Well, I mean, it may offend some people.
That's true. I did not mean to offend anyone by saying retard. I apologize. Stupid was the correct word. That way I can look back a year from now and say, hey, stupid, you shouldn't have bought that. Because, I mean, we all know
you can't fix stupid.
So, anyhow, I don't mean to offend anybody. I may say some stuff sometimes that may come off wrong. Don't mean it. And
don't take what we say necessarily personal.
We're just sitting here just digging us a hole, ain't we? Just keep going deeper and deeper.
Actually, you're the one talking, so you're digging the hole.
So, let's jump in, get these orders pulled, and show them to you. We're going to do this whole day stationary like this right here, because it's somewhat easier. And if this is your first time watching the channel, I'm Colton.
I'm Courtney.
And we sell on eBay, Amazon, and Poshmark. And hopefully, I say we sell on Amazon, but I hadn't shown you anything on Amazon because I really can't necessarily per se. But we're going to start doing some Amazon videos. Maybe you want to get into Amazon, maybe some how-tos of how to start up your account, go about that way. Go over some sales ranking stuff, things to look for.
Also, if we don't show you a lot of our Amazon stuff, it's so we don't have a lot of competition.
Yeah.
So don't take it personally.
And Amazon's real strict, so we'll do some how to do FBA orders, how to do merchant fulfill stuff, listing it, and all that kind of stuff. Just so y'all know. Maybe we'll make up another account. I don't know. We'll see. We'll go over some stuff with y'all, though, later on.
But don't jump both feet in the deep end with Amazon to start off with.
Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah. But we'll go over all that in a separate video. So today we're going to pull these orders, show you them. Let's get these things pulled. The first thing we're going to show y'all is a viewer sale from Miss Janet. Miss Janet is an awesome lady. She has bought from us numerous times. She always comes in the comments, watches our video, shows us a bunch of love and support. So Miss Janet, we appreciate everything you do. And we're just going to jump in and grab her stuff right here and kind of go over it for you. So the first thing she bought is this little Spodes Jewel Copeland, England little saucer. See this right here? It's got the rose pattern on it. And for this, she paid $9.06 plus shipping. We will combine the shipping for her, put it all in one box.
Except for her Poshmark order, and we can't do that strictly because
Poshmark has their
its
own
own
label
thing.
system. But we'll refund you some and hook you up that way. So you're going to have 2 packages coming to you from us. The next thing we sold is this little Holy Angel ornament. See this here? It's made in Italy. I believe it's a same as them other ones. It's Fontanini, something other. And it's just a little ornament here, and she paid $10.46 for that. Next thing we got to get is some bulbs. I think these are them right here. Some red and some green replacement bulbs for C7 strands. And
also, it's like the same type of bulb that go in like a Christmas village.
Yep. And they sold for $6.29 for the both of them. And then she sold this extra large. So she bought this extra large Orvis polo golf shirt. We've had this since we started reselling. It was like one of the second things I ever bought. So I'm very happy to get this thing moved. She paid $605 plus shipping for that.
As you can tell, it's in an old packaging as well.
And the next thing we sold to her is this Nutcracker cookbook. See this here? And for this we got $456 plus shipping. It's actually pretty cool. We'd actually debated on keeping this when we got it.
It's supposed to have like a DVD with it or a CD, but it didn't have one, so it's
And then,
just the book.
Yeah, on Poshmark, look at these. Ain't these cute?
We're not sure if they're hedgehog or...
I'm pretty sure. I'm about 99% sure they're hedgehog.
Not 100% sure.
But they're awesome. They're glazed pottery pieces. They got the stoppers. And for these, she got picked up for $20. These right here are some Pillsbury Dough Boy and Dough Girl.
Woohoo!
Did you know they had a Dough Girl? He must be married, or it's his girlfriend. Maybe it's his sister. I don't know. How many dough people are there out there? But she picked these up for $15 for these. And on Poshmark, we actually she put them in her bundle. And I sent her an offer. But somehow she overlooked the offer or something and didn't hit it. So she bought them at full price. So what I'm going to do, since I can't do nothing on Poshmark, I'm going to refund you my offer difference through PayPal whenever I refund your combined shipping, because I was willing to take less for these and somehow I got misconstrued. So Janet, look out for a refund on these to make up the difference.
But it'll be with your eBay refund.
Yeah, it'll come off of your eBay combined shipping refund. So Janet, we sure do appreciate those orders. Thank you so much. And Miss Eileen, another huge supporter of us. She bought from us numerous times. And great lady. She's on Instagram. Go check it out. And she purchased this Three Kings DVD. It's new sealed. Awesome movie if y'all have never seen it. And for this, where am I looking? She paid $230 plus shipping. And then she also picked up this LuLaRoe. See this here? It's a medium Carly dress. And $12.59 plus shipping for this.
Eileen, I want to say thank you for the picture. You put it on Instagram.
Yeah, that was
Glad
awesome.
you enjoyed it.
So, yeah, we usually, when somebody orders from us, especially when they order, you know, more than once, we usually try to throw some kind of freebie in for you. Things we've not listed yet, or maybe we've had listed and ain't moved for us, just to show our support back to you for supporting us. So thank you, Miss Eileen. We greatly appreciate that. We will combine the shipping on that for you, so you'd be looking for a refund as well. So those two are the two viewer sales we had today. So I'm tickled to death to have them. Thank y'all so much for them. So now we're going to start pulling our non-viewer sales. First thing we sold is
You pull it and I'll pull the next one.
Is a PS4 Minecraft. And I just listed this yesterday. It's disc only. See this here? And I put it in a JFJ and resurfaced it there because it was rough. It was in that video game haul we got. For this, we got $17.99 plus shipping on that. And with our loose disc, I do have a bunch of these little plastic DVD cases. So we just throw them in that and then throw that in the bubble mailer.
Next is the Hawthorne Swept Away, which it won't go in this box. And I will show y'all real quick if I can get it open. As you can see, it's just like a little saloon type thing. That's pretty cool. And for this, we got $17.49 plus shipping.
And then we sold these Disney mugs here, 2 of them. Had these for a little bit and I took an offer on them. What I should have done at the time, didn't think to, is pull them out of this box, sold them individually. I probably could have got a little more money for them. But for these two, I took an offer for $12 plus shipping. All in these like 24 bucks. Because I mean, they're pretty heavy and gonna require some special packaging. So happy about them. But if you pick up something like this, don't hesitate, you know, if you want to, open the package up and sell them individually. You probably get some more money for them.
Next, we sold PS3 Minecraft for $17.46 plus shipping.
So we sold this right here, Willy Wonka placard. It's a DVD placard, you know, it'd be like in Blockbuster or something. And the DVD where you rent it. Or in maybe even a red box. Could have been in a red box machine. No idea. It's plastic. Awesome for a game room. And this ended up selling for us for $4.50 plus international shipping to the UK.
2 oil seals we sold for $9.79 free ship.
So here's a air conditioning remote for a Whirlpool. See that there? I'm sorry if I'm holding this too close, I can't tell. Oh, there's my phone. Anyhow, we sold this for $18.40 plus shipping. Next thing we sold is this M&M watch. We actually picked this up with all that makeup we did that wholesale lot on. And we actually sold it on Poshmark, but I don't think we showed it. And this is just an orange M&M watch. Had like 50 cents into this and a little tin. And this ended up selling for $20.99 plus shipping.
If they watched our video a couple videos back, you'll see the lot of makeup we did.
Yeah, it was on a live.
It was on a live. Next we sold PS3 Madden 17.
That's a good game to look out for if y'all see it.
For this we got $24.49 plus shipping.
And it does have a little manual thing in there. I don't know if it's scratched. I need to look.
Nope, that's good.
Good condition. So if y'all see this game and you can pick it up for a couple bucks, pick it up.
Next we got the Tweety Bird sign. And for this we got $18.58 plus shipping. See? Next we'll pull a LuLaRoe Carly dress. Okay. And for this we got $16.62 plus shipping. So we got a PS3 NHL 15 game. 9.
9 of them?
Yep. As you can see, it's got some of the little books with it. And for this we got $12.25 free ship.
9 of them?
Yes.
Lord.
Now I gotta pull a hotel room card.
Is it just John Wayne?
Yeah, it's just John Wayne. So we sold one of these for $13 plus shipping. It says, please don't smoke in bed. The ashes that fall may be your own.
Yeah, those are pretty awesome. We got a stack of them too. Alright, I got all these movies, thankfully. I think I do. I'm gonna check. But these are all 9. John Wayne, The Duke, sealed VHS tapes, just a random assortment. The Shootist, The Undefeated, War Wagon, Arizona Skies, just a bunch of them, new sealed, and for them we ended up getting, how much we get? $14.02 plus shipping.
That's next.
Next thing we sold is this Haunted M&M's tour. Y'all see that there? And this sold for $19.25 plus shipping. Our tables are getting full. Then we sold this PS3 Blur game. See that there? And this one sold for $15.05 plus shipping. Then we sold a copy of Wii Sports, disc only, and I resurfaced it on that JFJ, and this sold for $18.86 plus shipping. Then we sold a pair of these orange Converse. See these here? They're size 12s, men's.
I think they're 11s.
Size 11 men and 13 women's. So these are right here, and these sold for us for $17.46 plus shipping. Next thing is these two fungus bright pencils. See them there? They're new sealed, and for these we got $10.49 plus shipping. Next thing we sold is this keto thing of women's keto pills, fat burner, and these sold for $8.75 plus shipping. Next thing we sold is this Rollins youth size helmet. See this here? Got the chin strap with it, and this ended up selling for $13.96 plus shipping. Next thing we sold is this Centronella mosquito repellent deep free right here, and this ended up selling for $11.96 free ship. So if y'all ever see these cameras out, these Polaroid Spectra systems, don't buy them. They ain't worth nothing. These two are in rough condition. I sold them as a set, and these ended up selling for $15 free shipping. Maybe make like $3 just to get rid of them. But I mean, in pristine condition, they're still not even selling for like $10. So I don't know. Wouldn't buy these. So just so y'all know. Alright, next thing we sold is 2 more sealed VHS tapes. These right here. And we got Regoletto or something other. It's feature films for family. And then we got this one right here, which is Ghost of Dickens Past. And we got $8.75 plus shipping for the 2 of these. Alrighty guys and gals, so here's all our orders going out minus my cell phone. And we're going to get all this stuff packed up and sent out. It's going to be a fun morning. Alrighty guys and gals, so that's going to do it for this video. I just got off the phone with the Kia dealership. They're still working on the car. Don't know nothing else. He said he's ordering the engine today. So maybe by the end of this week, first part of next week, don't know. But we do thank y'all.
Hopefully we should have our car soon.
Hopefully. But we do thank y'all. I don't know if they're going to pay for it yet. He didn't say nothing like that. He said they're waiting on Kia to okay it because they have to send in videos, do some kind of live stream of the engine and all kind of tests. I don't know. It sounded complicated. But I do thank each and every one of you for watching. And tomorrow we should be doing our giveaway announcement for that. So we'll announce how to enter for that tomorrow and show you what you can win. And then we'll hold the giveaway. Let's see, tomorrow's Tuesday.
Well, do you want to do it live through the giveaway?
And then we'll do a quick live show either Friday or Saturday. We'll let y'all know tomorrow and do the random comment picker thing live. And yeah. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up.
Also hit the notification bell so you can tell what's coming up.
Yep, I guess that's all I got. So we'll see you guys and gals tomorrow.
Bye y'all.